I've been mystified by how widespread this crazy idea is that there's no more to human evolution than biology and endeavor. It's not even logical when you think about it. I spoke with sages around the world, in the Middle East and Asia, masters of the arts of life, men and women who had tapped into the rawest of human resources so that they literally overflow with abundance, vitality, and joy. And I found that while each tradition held its own unique key to the totality of the puzzle, not one of them ever said that you had to be special to attain this wisdom, or that it was a knowledge reserved for the elite. Instead, the more I learned from these wisdom warriors, the more I understood them to be talking about the natural state of being of each and every one of us, a concept that the New Age has turned into woo-woo spirituality. But in truth, we're not taught in school how to access our true potential and create life in alignment with our personal vision and dreams. In this masterclass, on the topic of practical samadhi, I dive deep into the process. You see, people who tell you that it takes years to unlock your potential or that you have to join an ashram or a monastery have never seen the blueprints. There are actionable steps that can be taken to empower yourself with real mastery. And the further you progress through these steps, the more you realize the innate connection between your inner voice and the ear of nature. You begin to work together with intentional synchronization. When you read the stories of the yogin, self-realized ones like Yogananda or Shankar, you find them mentioning this concept again and again, this concept of being in sync with nature. I was fortunate enough to meet an ascetic yogi like them in the Himalayas who took me in and taught me the path, helping me back to our original state of grace. We've ignored the most natural aspect of our lives and work. We've taken the magic out of our dreams and aspirations when the fact of the matter is we're endowed with something like a partner status with the universe. It's everybody's birthright. And to recognize your esteemed place in this relationship is the first step to the achievement of your dreams. Now, granted the freedom of choice to do and be anything you want, why not choose that path that empowers you with total control over your destiny? What an impact you could make! I find all this incredibly fascinating. I hope you come and explore these ideas with me in my new masterclass at Umamaya.